What's going on, guys? This is Henry, your Texas licensed realtor. Today we're at Prescott Oaks, a community out in Northwest San Antonio with Meritage Homes. I wanted you guys to walk through the model home and check out some of its features and some things that you'll probably look into customizing when you do get into a new build, new construction home. Come check it out, guys. Alright guys, right in front of you is the formal dining room. Not very common in a lot of houses right now. A lot of people like the open concept and informal, but here you have its own space dedicated to entertainment and feeding the family. The living room, you'll notice the elongated windows, which are pretty cool. This comes with this specific model, the Evergreen. It's over 2,700 square feet. Behind you is the primary room. Nobody cares about the kids' rooms. You know, they can be small, they don't need to be that aesthetic, but the primary room, you need space, you need something big, you need elongated windows, you need natural lighting. You'll notice that Meritage puts together the bay window, so it kind of bows out, gives you some extra windows, brings in more natural lighting, which is always a great thing, right? Alright guys, that pretty much sums it up. So if you're looking for a new build, just enjoy the process. You get to choose everything, tailor it from the layout all the way, to the color of the wall. Have at it. If you have any questions, whether it's a new build, new construction, or a pre-owned home, reach out to me, shoot me a message. Don't hesitate to create some dialogue. I'd love to converse and help you out, or at least point you in the right direction. Alright guys, take care.